Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to control website accessibility on your iPhone, especially for kids or to block unwanted content? Here is a step-by-step guide to help you restrict websites on your iPhone effectively. Let's get started. The first step is to open your setting. Tap on the setting app on your iPhone. Then you go to the screen time. Scroll down and select screen time. If you haven't enabled screen time, follow the prompt to set it up. Next, tap on content and privacy restriction. Now you juggle the switch to turn it on. Tap on content restrictions to manage what type of content are allowed on your iPhone. Now you scroll down and select web content. You will see three options: unrestricted access, which allows all websites; limit adult websites, automatically restrict adult content. Then allowed websites only allow access to specific websites you approve. If you choose limit adult websites, you can add specific websites to always allow or never allow. Tap add website under never allow to block a specific website. Enter the URL of the website you want to restrict and tap done. If you choose allowed websites only, tap on add website to manually enter the URL of the website you want to allow. And there you have it, guys. By following these steps, you can easily restrict websites on your iPhone, providing a safer browsing experience for you and your family members. This simple setup ensures that the content you deem appropriate is accessible, giving you peace of mind. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in our next one. Bye bye.